Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the highways in Jamaica. We're just going to give you a quick summary of what's going on with the highway networks in Jamaica. Now, Jamaica has two main highways that are toll roads, and those are the Highway 2000 roads. You have two sections, I should say, of Highway 2000. You have one that runs from Kingston to Ocho Rios, or more specifically from Caymanos in St. Catherine to Miami Bay in St. Anne. That highway is up and running, and it has cut the travel time down to 45 minutes. So you can get from Kingston to Ocho Rios in 45 minutes. Now that highway is called the Edward Seaga Highway. And then you have another leg of Highway 2000, which is actually the road we're on now, and they call it Highway 2000 East-West leg. And that is to build a road from Kingston to Montego Bay, Jamaica. So that highway now is not complete. It's being built out in phases. So the Kingston to Maypen leg is open, it's up and running, and it's also a toll road, and it's called this one is called the PJ Patterson Highway, which is good to name highways after Jamaicans. Now, between Maypen and Mandeville, that section of the highway is under construction, and it should be finished. They gave an update earlier this week. It's scheduled to finish in June of this year, which is June 2023. So when that section is finished, you can drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 40 minutes. And then they're going to build a section through St. Elizabeth and then connect to Montego Bay. Now, that section of the highway, they're going to bypass Spur Tree Hill. So there's going to be a Spur Tree bypass, and then the highway is going to come down through Anchovy and come down to Bogue in Montego Bay. So that's Highway 2000, major road infrastructure that runs through the middle or through the inland of Jamaica. Now they have two other highways that run along the coast that are not toll roads. They are regular roads you drive on. Now you have the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, which is to build a road from Kingston to Portland, highway quality road like what we're driving on now, and that project is on the way. It's the largest road project that the government of Jamaica has on the way right now. Of course, it's China Harbour Engineering Company that's doing the work. Also, the Maypen to Mandeville leg, China Harbour Engineering Company. So that highway is going to go from St. Andrew through St. Thomas into Portland. That's the Southern Coastal Highway Phase 1. Phase 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is to build a highway from Negril in Westmoreland to Mandeville in Manchester, or to Manchester. So that highway will go through Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Manchester. Now, phase 2 has not started yet. Phase 1 is to be completed, or scheduled to be completed, in 2025. Now you have the Northern Coastal Highway that runs from Port Antonio to Negril, and that highway goes through Portland, St. Mary, St. Anne, Trelawney, St. James, and ends in Westmoreland. So the Northern Coastal Highway will connect to the Southern Coastal Highway in Port Antonio, and for phase 2 it will connect in Negril. So Jamaica will have an highway quality roads running almost around the entire island when these projects are finished. Now the Northern Coastal Highway is actually finished, it's built already, but in some sections you don't have roads like this, so they're improving or should I say expanding the highway, or improving from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, and it's going to look like this road that we're on. That project hasn't started yet. They're going through the finance phases now, but that project is estimated to cost 120 billion Jamaican dollars. It will be the largest capital investment in modern Jamaican history. $120 billion. And they will be building 3 bypasses. Discovery Bay is going to get a bypass, 4-lane road just like what we're looking at, dual carriageway. Runaway Bay will also get a bypass, and Prairie will get a bypass. All 3 towns are in St. Anne. So a lot of infrastructure is being improved upon and built. Read the roads, major road projects. Now the government had announced some time ago that they were going to do the Greater Infrastructure Development Program, which would be to fix up roads around the island. One of the sections that they had scheduled, or a part of the project, is to expand Mandela Highway. Now, Mandela Highway was recently renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program. Something like 64 million US was spent to renovate it. But it was only a part of the road that was upgraded, you could say. The section from Spanish Town Road or Washington Boulevard towards the Portmore turnoff. So they plan to, under the Greater Infrastructure Development Program, and this project will be the flagship project for that program, would be to expand it from the Portmore turnoff all the way down to the Old Harbour Road roundabout. So that project, they haven't announced a start date yet, but that project is in the works as well. And also they're planning to build bypasses for the town of Lucy in Hanover and Hopewell in Hanover. Not sure if there are any other bypasses scheduled for that section, but that is also in the works in terms of major road infrastructure projects. And they are doing some roadworks in Mandeville under the Greater Mandeville Traffic Management System or Improvement Project, where they plan to widen intersections. It won't be as major as building the highways, but that project actually started because Highway 2000 is now going to reach Mandeville in June, so they anticipate a lot more traffic, so they are getting ready for that. And Montego Bay, they have some major road projects going on. They're building the Montego Bay Perimeter Road that will run around Montego Bay, and they're also improving upon Barnett Street and other roads there. So a lot of infrastructure, a lot of roads, major road projects are going on in Jamaica. Some have started, some are going to start soon. So we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. And if there are any other major road projects going on, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below and we will make videos and keep you guys updated on the project. All the roads we spoke about in this video, we are going to make videos and keep you guys updated as to the progress for all those roads. Alright guys, have a good day.